My Father's way may twist and turn, my heart may throb and ache, but in my soul I'm glad to know He maketh no mistake. My cherished plans may go astray, my hopes may fade away, but still I'll trust my Lord to lead, for He doth know the way. Though night be dark and it may seem the day will never break, I'll pin my faith, my all on Him. He maketh no mistake. There is so much I cannot see, my eyesight's far too dim, but come what may, I'll simply trust and leave it all to Him. By and by, the mist will lift, plain it all He'll make. Through all the way, though dark to me, He maketh no mistake.